I'm Zanya. No matter what type of conference you have, I specialize in delivering an inspirational message of health brought with just the right amount of energy that you're looking for.
Very important. Zanya Foco, thank you very much. Great ideas. It was a pleasure.
You can't have. All right, you know all the foods you love. What'd you say over there? Did you say no deal too? So which do you think it is? It's no deal. And what vegetable do you think is the #1 vegetable of choice in America? Which do you think? Peanut butter? Did somebody say peanut? What do we think? What did we say? I heard green beans. No, I heard carrots. Lettuce. It's potatoes. You're right, Linda, right there. But wait, it's not just potatoes. It's French fries. That's right. French fries are the #1 leading vegetable in America today. Can you believe it? Now, let me tell you this. We need to have 5 or more servings of fruits and vegetables a day, 5 or more. And do you know that Americans have 2.2 servings of fruits and vegetables? Just 2.2. And that includes counting French fries. Awesome, he says. You need a Motivational Minutes audio CD right there. Yeah, that guy does. And I called up the cadavers class. And I said, excuse me, I said, can I get 1 human gastrointestinal tract so that I can show everybody here? I'd like to spread it out across the room and show you just how far food has to travel when we eat it. And they said, sure, no problem. 1 GI tract coming up. It was so easy. Have you ever called? And I have one right here. And so to help me with this now, I have already hand-selected 2 very brave volunteers. And brave means 2 past presidents. Let me ask you, when we eat food and it goes in here and it comes out about here, how far is it that you think that food has to travel? Any idea?
12 miles.
12 miles, 50 feet? I thought 30 feet. I thought miles. But it's exactly 24 feet. I have an actual human gastrointestinal tract from a cadavers class for us to spread out across the room, okay? Are you ready? Now, we don't have to be rocket scientists to figure out that this is not good for the human body. The thing that requires Dawn dish soap to be able to get that grease off of your pots and pans. I know, you could just take a Dawn dish soap chaser afterwards. That would take care of that. You would still be having a burger, but you would save that much fat. And if you got a grilled chicken, that would save another 9 grams of fat. Excellent. Bringing that on down, reducing your risk of colon cancer, prostate cancer. And what if you said, and could you do that, Randy? I mean, a chicken sandwich, yeah, grilled up. The payoff, is the payoff there? I'm going to share with you today some powerful things that you can do in your own family and with your own kids' family. How many of you are grandparents right now? How many of you care about those grandkids? And how many of you see how our society is different now than it was then when you raised kids? Would you like to keep your attendees engaged all throughout the conference? How about I serve as your conference energizer? All you have to do is give me 5 minutes at the times that you need energy most. Perhaps mid-morning, mid-afternoon, or right before your main session speakers. Oh, and getting your attendees up on stage, that's all part of it too. Do you know all the rage right now in wellness meetings? Is you don't sit down for a meeting. Did you know that? That's what they're doing in all the corporations across. You walk into the meeting and there's a table and there are no chairs. Are you guys doing this at your place yet? Oh yeah, this is the rage. It's amazing. The meeting is super short.
She empowers people by getting them to empower themselves. And I can't think of a better person for Plainview to have partnered with for this conference.
Attendees loved the energy, the passion, the knowledge, and the fun that Zanya brought to all of her sessions.
After boosting your attendees' focus and attention all throughout the conference, what about a grand finale?
Here's Zanya!
Oh yeah! I job, boys. Now you do the speed bag. I want to see all the guys doing a speed bag. As you can see, whether it's a keynote alone or with energy breaks added in, I'll come to your conference and bring it a whole new twist and feel. Or just raise the energy a little bit. Whatever you decide, be sure to have your photographer ready, because these are the shots you'll be putting in your promotional materials for next year. That's me, Zanya, your conference energizer. Give yourselves all a great big hand.